This is a Ducky One Mini with Cherry MX Red Silent switches. It is also a 60% keyboard. God, I hate 60% keyboards. I'm Gibby, and this is Noetics. This is what we'll be working with today. A Zoya GMK87 via Tri-Mode TFT LCD mechanical keyboard in the 80% configuration. Let's go ahead and attempt to get this open with one hand. Keep the struggle. Oh my god, why did I decide to do this with one hand? This is awful. There it is. Now, isn't that pretty? Now, I've never built a keyboard before. However, I'm going to go ahead and assume that we shove these switches inside of those panels. So I'm going to go ahead and get right onto it. Today we're going to be using Cherry MX Silent Blacks with 3.7mm total actuation distance with a 60 gram actuation weight. And thank God they're factory lubed so I don't have to use my own. Well, while I'm taking the time to go ahead and get these switches in, I feel like I'd be remiss to not ask you to like and subscribe, and if you really like me, leave a comment. Find out what happens when you do. As you can see here, I also got a fourth monitor plugged in. Do you think that's interesting? I think it's whatever. But hey, 4 monitors. Sorry, couldn't help myself from laughing there. It would appear that I have extra switches. Would you guys, I don't know, like any? When it comes to the keycap set that I chose, I decided on this coffee-themed design. I don't mean to brag, but I do think that this keyboard ended up looking quite stellar. Now, you may have noticed that I'm missing the escape key, and that's because what would this channel be without a reference? What are we referencing? Well, that's going to be OpenSauce, where I got a custom metal keycap and couldn't get it in. There it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Thank you so much, OpenSauce 2025. What a great time. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Well, while this video is only 5-ish minutes long, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to go ahead and watch this. If you want to see what else projects that I end up doing, make sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your night. Thank you and goodbye.